Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Google Sheets tab to another spreadsheet we have. Alright, so let's see how you can duplicate this project management Google Sheets tab to a spreadsheet we have already created. So as you can see, we have this another spreadsheet Google Sheets where we only have an empty tab here, no content, and what we want to do is copy or duplicate this project management tab to this spreadsheet. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is go to the tab you want to duplicate to another spreadsheet, and you can right click on the tab, or you can also click on this down arrow, and instead of duplicate, which will only duplicate this spreadsheet tab to this spreadsheet, what you can also do is select copy to, and you can copy this to a new spreadsheet, so completely new spreadsheet, or to an existing spreadsheet. So in this case we want this, select existing spreadsheet here, which will open up the Google Drive folder of our Google account. Then we would go to resend because we have used just this another spreadsheet right now. Select it, then click on insert, and as you can see, sheet copied successfully. So click on OK, and let's check this another spreadsheet, and as you can see, here's the copy of the project management Google spreadsheet tab. If we click on it, we can see that the complete content of that project management tab has been copied or duplicated to this existing spreadsheet. So as you can see, we still have all the project management table we have created earlier. So now this is how you can duplicate a Google Sheets tab to an existing spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.